In the shadow of the longhouse, where the fire's embers guard the sleep of children and elders alike, what shadows fall upon the kin, if the steady hand that tends the hearth turns to chase?
Listen close, for this tale unfolds not in distant glows, but in the rhythm of daily duty. A man dwelled among his people, not the bold hunter who claims the tallest stag, nor the swift messenger between clans. He was as the common branch on the family tree, serviceable, unbreaking, yet drawn ever to lights that danced like fireflies at dusk. There stood his woman, no fleeting spark, but the deep root that anchors the roof against storm winds. She mended nets before they tore, stacked wood before the chill deepened, called kin to share the evening bowl without fanfare. Her hands wove the household strength, her watch kept the circle whole.
But the woods whispered promises of brighter gleams. His eyes strayed first to passing lights, quick glances at wanderers' fires aglow on distant ridges. He lingered there in thought, palms tracing illusions of warmth that needed no tending. Meanwhile, the hearth at home grew dimmer. Its logs shifted unattended. She poured broth for the empty place, folded hides for shoulders that wandered late, yet her voice met only half-turned ears. The household's rhythm faltered, not in clamor, but in the quiet drag of unshared labor.
Here's what followed. The morning stretched colder. No one roused the little ones with steady songs. No elder found their bowl filled before frailty set in. Trust thinned like smoke from a poorly banked fire. Neighbors noted the man's drifts. Whispers rose of burdens shifted unfairly. She, who had bound wounds and whispered counsel through long nights, now spoke less, her words falling like leaves on untrod paths. He chased fiercer gleams, telling himself they lit his steps, blind to the root pulling back from barren soil. The home's weave unraveled thread by thread, stores dwindled without notice, tools lay idle in the corner, the circle's voices grew sparse.
But the cost ran deeper still. Fields once hoed in tandem lay fallow, weeds claiming rows meant for the clan's winter keep. Paths between houses, worn smooth by shared steps, grew overgrown, strangers' tracks unmarked and untrusted, kinship's bond forged in mutual watch. Frayed as her strength withdrew, not in rage, but in the slow folding of a branch bent too long alone. He felt the shift in empty echoes, the weight of his own hands untaught in mending what others once held. Elders murmured of lines unbroken only by those who guard the flame together. Children played fatherless games, their laughter hollow without the full circle's echo.
The wood's flickers proved cold trails, vanishing at dawn, leaving no warmth for seed or hearth. She departed as roots seek richer earth, her steps steady, leaving the longhouse adrift, fires gone cold, larders thinning, voices absent from the dawn call.
Hear the elders' truth if such chasing endures. Households fracture like untended timber, children hunger without guiding hands, elders fade unmarked, fields turn to bramble, and the kin line whispers to silence. Turn back to the root, the hearth, the shared labor, or watch the circle empty under endless night.
In the shadow of the longhouse, where embers cradle the dreams of children and elders, let your heart resonate with the echoes of those who came before. If their words spark recognition within you, share that warmth, let it flow outward through your voice and presence. Each act of sharing weaves a stronger thread in our collective quest for understanding, connecting us across generations as we explore not only ourselves, but also the intricate patterns of our world. Leave your marks, thoughts, or reflections where they may guide others along paths to knowledge. Know that by engaging in this work, you nurture its essence, allowing the wisdom of our ancestors to endure through time while ensuring that kinship remains unbroken amidst life's flickering distractions.